this is Nicole from Raspberry Moon Skin Therapy. Today we're going to be going over the Raspberry Refining Cleanser from SkinScript. So we're going to use approximately a large P2, pretty much a dime size, I guess, of cleanser, especially if we're going over our neck and décolleté. And you can't really see it but in this picture, but it has a very lovely light pink color to it, and it smells very nice. So I actually love this cleanser. Even though generally it's for people with oily or acneic skin, I do find that if I just use it a couple of times a week, I'm okay. Or maybe just once because I'm rotating with other things. So we're just going to manipulate this around here in a circular motion with damp fingertips. And especially if you're having breakouts on your chest or on your back, you can use this cleanser to help treat those areas as well. So just going to manipulate this around here for a few seconds. And you can see that lovely foam that it gets. That's from coconut. And then it's going to have that glycolic acid in it, 2%. That's going to be a treatment. And that glycolic works like a cellular glue, so that your cells are together here and that glycolic goes in and kind of eats that cellular glue so that we can slough off those dead skin cells. And then your salicylic kind of goes in like a scooper, scoops out that debris out of the follicle. So again, this is obviously a really good cleanser for people with acne or having problems with breakouts. It also has yucca leaf extract in it, which is great to help reduce irritation. And it has raspberry fruit extract in it, which is an antioxidant and it helps reduce inflammation. And it has beetroot extract in it, which helps reduce pigmentation for a more even skin tone. So we're going to use this, like I said, for oily acneic skin. We also might want to do this as a second cleanse in the evening. So after you would cleanse your makeup and debris off with maybe the green tea cleanser or another cleanser that you might have. Or you could use this in the morning, prepping your skin for the day. So one more wipe through here, and then what we'll do is move on to the next phase of your skincare treatment, which would be your serums or your toner, depending on your treatment line. Again, one more wipe through here. Okay, that is everything. Until we connect, create a beautiful day.